Today in the cryptocurrency news, it's another bloodbath. Bitcoin went as low as $6,790. Binance just bought an Indian cryptocurrency exchange. Monero main website got hacked. Bakkt Bitcoin Futures will launch in a couple weeks in Singapore. And a few more stories. Let's dive right in. Hello everyone, welcome to O Trading. My name is Mark, and today again it's a bloodbath on the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin went as low as $6,790, below the $7,000. So this is its lowest price since 6 months. It's very hard from here to see where the price will go. Last year we saw November and December being terrible months for Bitcoins, with huge dip as we're seeing today, dip of 10 or 15% in a day. So hopefully we'll not see the same price coming back than last year. I hope that we remain above the $6,000 the entire month of November and December, but no one can tell, obviously. December is for most of us a month that costs a lot more than the others, buying all those holiday gifts, and going on vacation or spending time in holidays with less incomes. So therefore, a lot of us will save a lot less, so buying less Bitcoins, or will even sell some of their position to afford a nice holidays. And as well, if you're going for vacations or just spending a few days with your family, you probably don't want to trade as much, so you will remove some of your position or be a lot less active on the cryptocurrency exchange. That all of those actions will further normally decrease the price of Bitcoins. Moving to CoinDesk, we learned that Bakkt Bitcoin Futures will launch in Singapore in 2 weeks. So up to now, Bakkt Bitcoin Futures were traded only in New York at the New York Stock Exchange. But it was planned already that Bakkt Bitcoin Futures should be traded around the world. So in Singapore Stock Exchange, this should help improve the trading volume of Bakkt Bitcoin Futures, allowing for Bakkt Bitcoin trader to trade in their own time zone. Moving on to Cointelegraph, we learned that the new regulation in Argentina limiting the amount of American dollars the population can hold backfired, and more people are trading Bitcoin on local Bitcoin. Back on the 1st of November, Argentina's central bank banned the purchasing of Bitcoin with credit cards. But since that happened, there's more and more Bitcoin traded on the platform local Bitcoin. I covered the news a few months back that Argentina is now limiting the amount of American dollars that our citizens can hold. They're not allowed to purchase for more than 10,000 American dollars a month. But obviously no one in Argentina wants to keep their pesos for their savings, since in 2 years the pesos lost 85% of its value against the American dollars. So even if many see Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as extremely volatile assets and will never want to put any of their savings in it, in many other countries, the national currencies is even more volatile than Bitcoin. Moving to CoinDesk, we learned that Binance just acquired WazirX, an Indian cryptocurrency exchange. So Binance is putting a move on India, even though cryptocurrencies are now banned in India. To be clear, currently it's not the cryptocurrency themselves who are banned, but more the servicing from the bank of cryptocurrencies exchange. So it's very hard for cryptocurrencies exchange to deal with fiat money and exchange this money with banks. Currently, WazirX, the cryptocurrency exchange that Binance just purchased, is dealing only with cryptocurrencies. So they don't really have to deal with any bank, allowing only their user to trade between Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. CZ said that about the acquisition, and I quote, "The acquisition of WazirX show our commitment and dedications to the Indian people and strengthen the blockchain ecosystem in India, as well as another step forwards in achieving the freedom of money." Let's hope that Binance and WazirX succeed in India, where right now so many exchanges are having a hard time. Moving to Cointelegraph, but remaining with Binance, we learned that the claim that the Shanghai Binance offices has been raided by the police yesterday are false. So for the one that didn't hear, yesterday, one of the main news that provoked a dip in the price of Bitcoin was a rumor that the Binance Shanghai offices had been raided by the police and that all the employees had been sent home. CZ, the CEO of Binance, was quick to deny these allegations, saying that there's not even a Shanghai offices. Binance added, and I quote, "The Binance team is a global movement consisting of people working in decentralized manner wherever they are in the world. Binance has no fixed offices in Shanghai or China, so it makes no sense that police raided on any offices and shut them down." So yesterday's news seems like another fake news with only purpose to influence the price. On ccn.com, we learned that Monero main website got hacked. A user discovered an anomaly on Monday in the command line interface binary download from Monero website. So the website getmonero.org, the official command line script for the Monero node, had some malicious code in it. And apparently a user, a few hours after having downloading this wallet, got $7,000 worth of Monero stolen out of his wallet. This is very unfortunate to Monero, and it's a good reminder for all of us that even if you're on the official website of a project, you can still end up downloading a malicious code put in there by a hacker. I talked a little bit about Crypto Queen, the co-founder of OneCoin on Monday, that's currently a fugitive from the American federal court. But today, what's in the news? It's her lawyer that has been found guilty of money laundering for her. Mark S. Scott has been found guilty of helping Crypto Queen, Ruja Ignatova, launder $400 million. Scott was a former partner at the law firm Lockheed Lord. He was suspected of being paid $50 million to launder $400 million for Ignatova. Scott was claiming innocence, saying that he didn't know that OneCoin was a scam, and he only tried to represent Ignatova as best as he could. But after only 4 hours, the jury found him guilty. Now let's move to the cryptocurrency prices. Currently we have Bitcoin at $7,037, a drop of 10.97%. We have Ethereum at $143, a drop of 14.75%. Ripple is at 22 cents, a drop of 7.86%. Bitcoin Cash is at $199, a drop of 15.1%. Litecoin is at $45, a drop of 13.41%. EOS is at $2.53, a drop of 14.27%. Binance Coin is at $14.92, a drop of 13.58%. Stellar Lumens is at 5 cents, a drop of 9.13%. Tron is at 1 cent, a drop of 12.5%. Cardano is at 3 cents, a drop of 10.47%. Monero is at $49, a drop of 12.28%. Chainlink is at $2.20, a drop of 16.35%. Now let's move to our biggest mover of the day. Our biggest winner of the day, our DentaCoin, with an increase of 15.39%. Counterparty with an increase of 13.67%. Enigma with an increase of 13.08%. And our biggest loser are LBRY credits with a drop of 19.39%. Referum with a drop of 19.13%. Holochain with a drop of 17.63%. Thank you very much to have watched this Friday's video. And if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe for this channel for more of these videos. Thank you and have a great weekend.